How to add a note to a cell in Google Sheets. First, open Google Sheets. To do that, simply type in sheets.new on your browser. Now comes choosing the exact cell in which you want to insert a note. Click on the cell to select it. After you have selected your cell, look towards the top of the page for the Insert tab. Click on the Insert command to reveal its drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you will find a wealth of options. Here, you'll navigate down to the Note option and click on it. There's also a helpful shortcut listed to the right, Shift plus F2, which accomplishes the same task. Clicking this command or using the shortcut triggers a note to be attached to your chosen cell, signified by a text box that pops up. Within this text box, you are free to type any and all notes, comments, or bits of information that you believe are necessary to further explain or expand upon the data in your chosen cell. After you've entered your note, click anywhere outside of the text box, and your note will then be successfully attached to your cell. To see the note again, all you have to do is move your cursor over the cell and it will appear. You can edit the note anytime by repeating this process. And there you have it. Remember, these helpful notes can be viewed anytime by hovering over the cell, presenting a great way to add context or additional info to your data.